Welcome everyone. In order to insert a SIM card into iPhone 14, the first step is we want to check the side of the phone with the volume rockers here, and you just want to see if you have this outline and a hole. If you do not have this outline and a hole, that means you have the US model of iPhone 14, and the US model of iPhone 14 does not have a SIM card tray. What this means is you will need to activate eSIM into your iPhone 14 and you would not be able to insert a physical SIM card. Tutorial on how to activate eSIM in iPhone 14 will be in the description down below. So, if your iPhone does have a SIM card tray, let's begin. The first step is you want to open up the box of iPhone 14. You want to find this pamphlet which says designed by Apple in California, and you should see here the SIM ejector tool. If for whatever reason you don't have the iPhone 14 box or you don't have the SIM ejector tool, you can find an old iPhone box with the SIM ejector tool right here. You can also use an Android phone if that has a SIM ejector tool available. You can use a pin, or you can get a paper clip, bend it out so that you have one thinned side right here. Once you have the SIM ejector tool you're going to be using, you're going to find the side of your iPhone 14 which has that outline and a hole. This is the SIM card tray. You're going to insert the thin end of the SIM ejector tool into the hole, and then you're going to push with a lot of force. Let's do this together. 3, 2, 1. Push down, push down, push down, push, push. And make sure you add a ton of force. And when you add a ton of force and you feel this little click, and you can see the SIM card tray has partially ejected, then you do not need to add any force anymore with the SIM ejector tool. So now you just want to pry out the SIM card tray from the iPhone 14. Now you should see it right here. So just make sure you have the side facing up, which has this little ridge here on the top left hand side. The other side here of the SIM card tray does not have any ridge. So just make sure, you see where my left thumb is, see the one I'm moving here. Make sure that the ridge here, top left hand side. And now, to verify this, you're going to get your SIM card. And you just want to make sure that the ridge on the SIM card, of course I'm going to drop it, but just make sure the ridge is matching the same side, top left, as the actual SIM card tray. So now we're going to just place the SIM card into the tray, and it should feel nice and flush, shouldn't be sticking out. Okay, if I run my finger, nice and flush. From here, just make sure the SIM card tray, see the hole is at the bottom here. Then get your iPhone 14, make sure it's facing upright like so, and then you can just place the SIM card tray back in. Rub your finger across just to make sure everything fits flush. From here, let's open up the settings app. We're then going to see mobile data, and you should see your carrier right here. You should see network selection, and if your network supported, Wi-Fi calling as well. You should also see the SIM pin feature. Mobile data should also be turned on and off. And what that means is you have inserted the SIM card in successfully and everything is fully working. You can also see the signal strength of my iPhone 14 right here. If you ever want to add a second SIM card, you will need to use an eSIM. Just tap on add eSIM and then follow my tutorial on how to activate eSIM in the description. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.